So just a quick daily update on XRP then. On our hourly time frame, you can see it's still very much in this range that we've put in this local area, which is no surprise to me at all, considering that pretty much every single crypto with Bitcoin chopping sideways has been chopping sideways. All these large cap altcoins have been doing exactly the same thing really. We've just had this descent to the downside here, back testing into this area here, cleaning out a lot of leveraged liquidity in these areas down here. We obviously popped back up onto the support. Test resistance, support resistance, and probably going to test support one more time before I move to the upside. Bitcoin today looking like it's really getting back into more of a bullish vein. If that's the case, we'll probably see XRP led to the upside like most cryptos back up to its next resistance, which will probably be back up here, as I said before in previous videos, around 62 cents. Today my bias is bullish for the crypto market, with Bitcoin looking like it's heading back up above resistance again, looking to make a new swing high back inside its range, looking to head up and test the top of the overall range that it has been going back into. Overall, I'm feeling like XRP going to follow the market up over the next week or so.